Welcome to Super Profit Club. My name is Sumitkgupta and I've been trading in stock market for more than 15 years and 11 years in swing trading. I'm a swing trading coach, trainer and author. And this is a video brought to you by Super Profit Club. In these videos, we try and give you the information about the stock market which you can use, you can learn, and you can implement this in your stock trading so that you can stop losing money and you can start earning consistent profits from the stock market. Now, if you like this video, like and click the like button, subscribe, and also share it with your friends, family, and anyone that you think might be interested in watching this video. And keep coming back for more videos as we keep sharing this from time to time. And most importantly, if you have any comments on this video, if you want to share any information, anything that you think is missing from here, you can comment in the comment box below so that we can also learn, and wherever any improvement needs to be done, that we can do. Okay, so this video today, what I'm going to talk about is a very critical topic which is mostly overlooked by most of the traders, and that is what I'm going to discuss, which is goal setting. Okay. Now you might say, why goal setting? Why is it important to set goals? I want to earn as much money as I want to. If I can make 1 lakh rupees, why would I make 50,000, 60,000 rupees? Or if I can make about 10 lakh rupees, why would I make 8 lakh rupees or 7 lakh rupees? So why to set a goal, right? Let me tell you. Traders do not make a lot of mistakes. They make similar mistakes. And one of the mistakes, common issue, which I found after interacting with many traders, both successful and unsuccessful, and the difference that I found is the goal setting. The challenge which comes in is basically that unless you know why you're trading and what is it that you want from trading, right? You won't be able to trade profitably. How and why? And let me tell you. See, first of all, I'll give you an example. Okay, I'll give you an example. The example is, when you're going from point A to point B. Let's say if you're going from Delhi to Gurgaon, for example, okay, and buy a car. Okay. Now, let's say that's what's happening is that this. In Gurgaon, you have to go to a certain destination. So you know already where you have to go. Now, once you reach there, you know that you have to get out, right? You have to stop there, okay? So that you can, whatever purpose or objective that you went there with. So that's your goal to reach there, right? Now, if you do not have that goal in stock market, what will happen is you wouldn't know whether you have achieved your goal or not, right? You wouldn't know. You won't have anything to compare with how your performance is, right? Many times you may be satisfied with 10,000 rupees, many times you may be satisfied with 50,000 rupees, but that doesn't work, because if you have to grow, you have to have milestones, you will have to have goals, you have to have, goal posts, so that once you reach X amount, then you say, okay, now I have to reach this amount. And so that is what will help you keep focus, right? Because then you would know, yes, this is the thing that I want to do and this is where I am getting what I want from it. And unless the goals are set, you wouldn't be able to do that, right? So that is why a lot of traders fail, because they do not know how much money they want to earn. And then it becomes like gambling, okay? That becomes like gambling. I can tell you, if you trade in stocks because you get a pleasure out of it, then you will always lose money, I can tell you. Okay. But if you are in it as a business or as a system, if you have to earn money, you can earn money only through business, right? And every business, when you go, every business has a goal, every business has a target, every person in the team has a target, whether they are in sales or not, whether they are even in in the support functions. Each one will have their KRAs, each one will have their targets, KPIs to be achieved in a year, right? Sales का अलग है, easy होता है because sales के targets easily set हो जाते हैं, measurable होते हैं, right? So even in the organization, they create budgets, right? They create targets, they create goals, right? That is why they become successful. They may not achieve all the goals, they may fall short, which is fine, but at least they know where they are going and there is a benchmark to assess the performance. How did you do? Now, because in trading, what happens normally, unless you are working as an employee in a brokership firm or somewhere, that's a different thing. Even there, you would have been given some targets, right? But in your personal, if you're trading personally, then what happens is you have to have a performance assessment so that you know whether you how are you doing, right? So, what do you need to do in goal setting? What do you need to do in goal setting? So first thing which I will recommend you very strongly is listen to this audio clip. Okay, there's a video on YouTube itself which I have also provided. This is listen to Stranger's Secret by Earl Nightingale. Okay, this is available on my YouTube channel and you can go and watch it. Stranger's Secret by Earl Nightingale. Okay, listen to that and you will know what I'm trying to say. Why I'm saying, why goal setting is important in your trading. Okay, now how do you set goals? Okay, there are four types of goals that you should have, four clear-cut goals that you should have. The first thing is goal of trading. Why you are trading? Are you just into it because of a hobby, an addiction? Maybe it gives you pleasure, maybe it gives you kick, right? If that is the goal of trading, then you don't need anything else, right? Just go and burn your money like you go in a casino. Okay. So that's perfectly fine. Okay. But that is your own goal has to happen. Right? But if you are in trading for earning money, then you have to be very, very, very clear about it. I can tell you when I talk to a lot of people, they trade because they want to trade. I got into stock market trading because I wanted to earn money. Many years I just kept trading for about 6 years and kept losing money because I was just trading. Okay. While yes, I got into it for earning money, but primarily I did not know. And when I got into swing trading, then I realized, and what changed for me was that the goal of trading was to earn money. Goal of trading was not trading, right? So trading is not the objective. Trading is only a means. The goal of trading is to earn money. Always keep that in mind, right? The second thing is you should have an income goal. Now, what is that income goal? The income goal means how much you want to earn. Okay, how much you want to earn from the trading. Now, that should be, this month how much I want to earn. But before that, you set goals. 6 months, what is the income goal that you want to reach from trading? 12 months, what is the income goal that you want to reach? 2 years, where do you want to reach? 5 years, how much income should you be earning from the stock market trading? This is the second one, which is income goal. 6 months, 12 months, 2 years and 5 years. Have those income goals, right? You can also have a 5-year goal first of all. Then you have to work backwards. Okay, how much, where should I reach in 6 months? Where should I reach in 2 years? That's how you can do that, right? So always have an income goal divided into those pieces. If you do not have an income goal, then how do you assess whether your trading is successful or not, right? The third goal that you should have is trade goal. Now, what does that mean? Whenever you are getting into a trade, you should know what is going to be your profit, right? And in case it goes against you, what is the loss maximum that you will incur? That is the trade goal. You should have that. Now, it also can be looked at in another way. One is obviously for particular trade, you should know specifically what is there. The second thing is on an average, how much are you going to earn from each trade? That should be there. It could be in terms of percentage of the capital or it could be a fixed amount. It could be either, right? So that is the third one. So you have to have a trade goal as well. And the fourth, which is very critical to have, is wealth or money goal. How much money overall you want to make from the stock market? What I talked about right now about two things is the income goal is in a month, how much are you earning every month, right? But how much you want to accumulate by earning so much every month, or what kind of wealth you want to create, what kind of money you want to have. Is it $1 million, $2 million, 1 crore, 2 crore, 5 crore, 10 crore, 20 crore? कितना कमाना है? अगर आप सिंपली बोलेंगे जितना ज्यादा हो सके, कुछ नहीं, क्योंकि जितना ज्यादा हो सके कि कोई डेफिनेशन नहीं है. There is no definition. It is different for everyone, right? Now, if Mukesh Ambani was to, if you tell Mukesh Ambani, he is going to earn 1 crore rupees in a month, it will not excite him, right? But if you tell somebody who earns 10,000 rupees, even if you tell him, okay, you can make 20,000 rupees in a month, it will excite him, right? That is why that number goal is very important. So you have to have a goal of wealth or money goal as well. Yes, in 6 months I want to have this much money in my capital. If in 1 year I were to reach here, or in 5 years, you can do that. In 5 years, this is the kind of money that I want to accumulate. This is the kind of wealth I should have, right? Do that maths. Now, when you do these 4 things, which is, your goal of trading, why you are trading, your income goal, how much you want to earn in 6 months, 12 months, 2 years, 5 years, what is it as a percentage you are going to earn from a trade goal, or a fixed amount from that trade, and whenever trading a trade, what is going to be your target for that, and what in case you have to exit with a loss, what is that, right? And finally, how much money do you want to accumulate in 2 to 5 years, right? You decide whether it is 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, you decide, but it should be a long-term goal. So if you do this, you will be in about 5% of the successful traders. Because if you start right, if you are working on a strong foundation, it is bound to be successful, bring you success in future. And once again, I will recommend you listen to this this video audio clip. It's an audio clip which is Stranger's Secret from Earl Nightingale. You can find that on my YouTube channel, and you'll know what I am trying to say, right? So if you like this video, just press the like button, subscribe it for more videos like this, and share it with your friends, family, and anybody that you feel would be interested in this, and keep coming back for more videos. And if you have any comments or anything that you would like to share, just comment in the comment box. Especially, what are the 3 things that you learned from this video? If you share with us, it will refresh our memory, and as well as others, it will be useful for others as well. Okay, so unless you know this, unless you know your goals, stop trading in stocks unless you know this. Stop trading in stocks unless you know this. Okay, so I wish you all the best, and have a great day.